Hey everyone, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana coin. Once again, if you watched my previous videos on Solana token, you should have realized that I have already talked about this token around last week and also on the last month. And I'm quite bearish on Solana, which means I believe this token will fall down from the current price of above $200 to as low as $100 in this month or maybe the next month. Why? I will tell you in this video, and again I will review my recent analysis and show you the price action, which makes me believe that we are now in the zone when the price is nearly to the crash zone. That means that now we will witness the price crash of Solana, which means a good opportunity for you to either short it or again long it for the long term before the bull run of 2025, which is by the way scheduled in Q4 according to many analysts. So with that, let's kick off. Let's talk about Solana token. Now you can see here in the weekly chart, I have clearly mentioned you that I am very bearish about the price action given the fact this token on the long term horizon is actually making a big head and shoulder pattern. And this pattern is quite bearish, especially when it made it in the weekly chart. So let's remove this factor and study other factors that will make you believe that why I am short on Solana. Look on the daily chart and you can see here every time and again, even if you look at the weekly chart once again, look at the chart here, you can see here a big resistance line, which is this blue line right over here at $200, 202 to be precise. It faced a lot of resistance now and also in the past, and that is the time when it starts stagnating. And you can see the actual thing that is happening right now is for the past 3 to 4 weeks, this token is actually stagnating. So you can see here candle one, 2, 3, 4, even 5. 5 candles were not able to surpass this big resistance level, which is at $202, and still now falling behind. That means from this chart itself, which is on the weekly chart, you will figure out a pattern right now, which I show you right now. The candle is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and now stuck here, which means the time for it to come down is now coming. The low can be as low as $180 immediately, and of course, if it failed to stop here, it can go down to as low as $120, which is right over here, or may even touch $100 if it breaks all the support levels in the worst case scenario. So that is my view about this token. You can look at the daily chart and you will realize the same thing is happening on the daily also. It is making a bearish wedge pattern. Again, the same setup is repeated: higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and now it's stagnating. It's not making any higher highs now. That means there's a possibility of this token to crash down. So my target to short it should be $180 at first. If it's still going down, I will put my next target as $120 and then followed by $100. That will be my criteria. Let me show you the 4-hour chart and tell you what is going on, because this will give you a clear picture. You can see this white trend line here. What you see here is a clear higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. By the way, this is a bullish pattern, but at one point in time, it's now slowing down. It is not making any higher highs, higher lows. And now this pattern is touching this trend line once again. So we are in a zone in which it either goes up and try to save its bullish momentum, or it is about to go down hard, which in this case is $180, and of course then 170 followed by $120. So your immediate target, especially my immediate target to short, is $180, and with a stop loss of, I can say, $250. Let me go to the daily chart and show you my targets. So if I remove this, one second. So if I remove this trend line, so my target will be to short it at this point in time with a potential stop loss. Of course, the number may vary, but again, the potential stop loss should be at around 215, which is recent all-time high, and of course, profit should be at around $180. So that should be my target as of now, and you can see the risk reward ratio is nearly 2:1, which means 2 time profit to 1 time loss, which is quite decent. Or you can also put it more to $150 if you believe the price crash further. But again, to be on the safe side, that will be my target. So again, I'm bearish on this token. What are your views about Solana? Comment below, let me know. I think this month is going to be very bearish, and that will start with the fall of Solana, followed by other altcoins, and of course, then you have Bitcoin, which is now trading at around 110k, again can go below 100k. That is possible. So that's my view. Comment below, let me know if you're liking my analysis. Please subscribe, press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video, and of course make trade with a new token. Thank you.